Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26, and after spending some solid hands-on time with it, here's what you need to know in just 2 minutes. Let's start with the design. Samsung has refined the look once again. The S26 feels more premium, with a slimmer profile, matte glass back, and those signature polished aluminum edges. It's sleek, light, and feels great in the hand. Plus, it's IP68 water and dust resistant, so it's built to handle the real world. Now onto the display. This phone has a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's brighter than ever, hitting up to 3000 nits peak brightness, which makes it incredibly easy to see even in direct sunlight. Colors are vibrant, blacks are inky, and scrolling feels butter smooth. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S26 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and this thing flies. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is seamless, and gaming is top tier with zero noticeable lag or overheating. Paired with up to 16GB of RAM, this phone is ready for anything you throw at it. Battery life is impressive too. The 5000 mAh battery easily gets you through a full day of heavy use, and with 65W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in under 20 minutes. Wireless and reverse wireless charging are still here and faster than ever. Let's talk cameras. The rear setup includes a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and dual telephoto lenses, 3x and 10x optical zoom. Image quality is sharp, colors are true to life, and low-light shots have improved noticeably. The AI